Hi guys, this is Ramesh Mahajan. In this video I'm going to show you how you can write to Google Sheets from from any program or from an API using a proxy server and using Google Service Account keys. For that, let's create a service account key first. So you can do it from console, Google Cloud, go here. Okay, this is the default project that I had created before. But if you don't have a project, then you can create a project from here, or you can go to IAM service, you go to manage resources. Okay, then you can create a project from here. Let's create a project, say as right to sit. Okay, I don't have organization. If you have organization, you can choose one. Let's create it. Okay, so create is being created. Then you can select right seats. Okay, go to Google Cloud, you can select it, right seats. Is the project selected? Then what you need to do is you can do a lot of stuff with console, Google Cloud, but what I'm interested in is service account keys and Google Sheets, right? So let's go here, and there is no service account yet. You can create a service account. This is easy to. Okay, so create a service account. Seed is like this. Okay, I have entered service account name as right seed, service ID. This is auto populated. You can change it to an email address is created automatically. You can write a description. You go create and continue. For permission, this is optional. You can choose it or you can just leave it. I'm just going to choose it as owner. Then you just go continue. You can add roles to. Then I think this is not needed right now, so let's do done. And this is created. Now there is no key yet, so you can create a key. Go. Once you're inside, you can go to keys. Then you can add one. Okay, create key, JSON. Once you create it, then it will be downloaded. Okay, create. It will take some time. Okay, so it's already downloaded. Let's see what's inside. So you can see that this is already downloaded here. Right, it's okay. I'm going to open with code. Okay, so this is the one. So you can see that what the file contains. It contains site, project ID, right to seats, right, private key, then email. This email is needed. I'll show you where to use it. Then these all are needed when you want to use a proxy server. Now that key is downloaded, you have to do is go to API service, enable APIs. Okay, then you go to enable APIs. Then you search for Google Sheets because you need to enable it. Okay, to enable. So after it enables, you will see like this page. Then all you have to do is you go again to IAM service. Okay, service accounts. You copy this email, and you have to log into the sheet. Go to sheets. You can create a new one. Okay, let's create a new one. Make this sheet. Then all you have to do is share. Remember the email that you copied, paste it here. It should be editor. You do send, and and then this is shared. So this much is needed when you are using Google Sheet and service accounts. So you can see that you can see the file that was downloaded. I have changed the name and copied it inside this proxy server that I had created. And I have written a proxy server here. I need this is a Flask application, and we need Google Auth2 and this one. This is all. These are the libraries that we need. I'll show you how to install these as well. Let me go through it. This is the file. It's going to read it, and scopes, I think this is needed. I'm just providing spreadsheet scope. Then what it does is it reads from the file the necessary files and stores here. This is home directory. If I do this one, this will return this. But while doing update sheet API, what it does is that it reads the data, right? Then it extracts these values from here. I need seat ID, range, and values to be updated in the seats. Then it will call the bill. Bill is from here. Bill, then it goes to credential express to service, then service the values update. You go to seat ID. You put the range and you update the value. This is needed as well. If it is success, then it will. So this is simple, right? So let's just go to like IMC here. Let's create a virtual environment for now. So this is the command to create a virtual environment. So virtual environment created. I can go inside shows the BNB, then activate the virtual. Then I can do pip install all libraries the text. So what is done is that it reads from the libraries file all the necessary libraries, and it will install it in the virtual environment that I just created. Let's wait. Now that it is downloaded and installed, I can run it, right? Python, I can write system.py. So this is already installed. I can go and check like hello from Flask. So this is working. So let's test it from Postman. HTTP and let's send it. I should be getting. So I got some issues with Postman because it says that this cannot do it with localhost. I downloaded this one, but it's not opening. So let's go to here, and I'll try it from here. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to get it using curl command. I should get this is the return key. I will be writing a post command too. So this is a curl command to write the data. So curl expose, and I update sheet. Right, you can see now this is the API, right? Then I go like here. This is the header application JSON. This is the JSON data. I need seed ID because that's what I programmed here. I need seed ID, range, and values, right? So that's what I pass. Where you can get the seed ID from? Seed ID is this value. If we go to the seeds, then from here to here, this is seed ID. Range is message 1 and from A1. Okay, and the values that is passed from here is the value. So let me just post it. Okay, it says updated cells is 3, right? Success, right? If you check, then you can see that the data came. So guys, so that's all for writing data to Google Sheets using a proxy server. So enjoy.